Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the playhead exactly where the text needs to appear. This anchors timing. Open titles and generators, pick a preset that matches your intent, and drag it above your video in the timeline. Once placed, select the title clip and open the inspector so you can edit. Doing this first saves time because you're working directly on the frame and duration, and the inspector gives you immediate access to text, font, and layout controls for precise adjustments. Now focus on the how and why of styling. Edit the copy in the viewer or inspector so you keep composition visible while you tweak. Change font, size, tracking, line spacing, and baseline shift to improve legibility and fit. These choices affect pacing and viewer focus. For motion, add a behavior or set keyframes for position and opacity. Behaviors are faster, keyframes give precise control. Once done, make sure text contrast and safe area. Finish by syncing the titles in and out points with your edit, using fades or transitions for smooth entrance and exit. Small timing shifts change perceived emphasis. Group complex text elements into a compound clip or assign roles for organized exporting and caption workflows. Export a short test to confirm quality and spacing. If text disappears, check immediate fixes. The title may be under another clip, opacity could be 0, a blend mode may hide it, or an unavailable font needs replacement. Resolve those and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.